I'm kind of behind on doing a video, so today's video will be of me cleaning things. I'm going to start in the kitchen. And then I'll work my way into Michaela's room because we cleaned her room out yesterday. And she had a lot of laundry, so I got to fold that up and put her bed sheets back on and things like that. Today is March 19th? No, 20th. Yes. March 20th. They go to school Monday. Okay, that's the time. Let's get started. These cups are already washed. They go here. These were washed yesterday, so they go up there. I usually grab this and wash it from the bacon meats. Bacon and sausages, breakfast meats. I have to push this out the way and wash under there because somehow grease stains get through. The dishes are in the soap. The soap is that apple. It's the last of it. I already cleaned out this part where it had like chocolate milk and shit in there. So, am I finished yet? No, because I can't even get started. Because Junior here dropped his phone underneath this black bed. I had to get the broom to sweep it out from under there. Get all on the floor. Okay, so when I get down to washing the silverware, I put some more dishwashing liquid on my towel so that I make sure that I can get all the jelly off, or like if he had pizza rolls, it could be pizza sauce or something on it, off of the silverware. Stuff is done. Okay, same difference with this. This is the grease tray that goes inside the air fryer. So I put some dish detergent onto the sponge and I scrape it off as much as I can. The black things probably won't come off, but okay. And for this rack as well, I let that sit for a little bit. When I finish this one, I'll wash that one and then I can rinse. Alright, that is done. Time is 9:51. And usually what I do after I rinse off the dishes is I dry down the counter around where the dishes were and where water might be, so that if people, lean on it or try to get something out of the cabinets in their arm, I don't want it to get wet. So I use a paper towel and dry off the counter. This bathroom bucket actually needs dumped out. I usually take it into the kitchen and dump it in that bag. I need to make sure it goes in the bag, so I'm gonna need both hands. Now, I'm gonna fold up these clothes so that I can put the sheets in. No, she already did the pillowcase. But I want to put the fitted sheet in the actual sheet that goes under the cover type thing on the bed when I fold all this up. Noise in the background. We got our TV going for the little boy, the 5-year-old. Okay, those are folded up. they're gonna go back in this bucket because I don't know how she wants to put them in her drawers. So she got sweatpants and pajama pants and leggings. Her underwears. These are shirts that she wears, like with jeans or leggings or whatever as outfits. These are shirts that she sleeps in. Random pajama shorts, face towel, 4 pairs of socks. Underwear, like a bra. Those jeans were also in the bucket. 3 pair. And I'm done with that. I'm gonna put them in this bucket so she can put them away. Alright. That is done. And I think I'll sweep up some more of the dirt.
You see? Yeah.
And be done in here for real.
Thing? Hey, do you have any bigger chairs? Stools.
The laundry that is in my bucket needs to be washed. It contains my clothes, my middle child Mackenzie's clothes, and my youngest child Junior's clothes. It also has the bath mat that you step on when you get out of the bath or the shower. So it needs washed. That's what I'm gonna do next. Go into the basement and wash this. We'll get it started, that is. This is the laundry detergent that I will be using to wash the clothes. Well, it's not all clothes, so like the laundry. I am in the basement, getting ready to start the laundry. Alright, that's got going. It is 2 cap loads of the soap in there, 1 at the bottom and 1 at the top. I'm gonna call it a super, and it's gonna be bulky items because there are towels in there. My middle child went swimming, so her swimsuit is in there with her towel, and we washed up like a couple of times throughout the week, so that's why it's bulky. I'm gonna turn the water temperature to a warm, and I'm gonna cut it on. Okay. Also, what I do when I'm doing laundry is I look around to see if there is any of the bath mats down here, which it is. I'm gonna take it upstairs and put it in the linen closet where the dry towels, face towels, bath mats, sometimes bedding goes into. So yeah. Alright. I'm putting the first load into the dryer. I already put one of the dryer sheets in there. Get that going. Make sure I push the button. Let's get this second load going. Okay. Right. I'm going to load the 2 caps of soap. 1 in the bottom, 1 in the top. It's not as many clothes in that one, so I'm going to make it a large. But I'm going to keep it, I'm going to make it a medium for the cycle. The load size is large. The medium is for the rinse cycle. And then I'm going to leave it warm. Cut it on. The first cycle is not dry all the way, so I'm going to stop it. Add a second sheet in it. Restart it up here. And on a different spin cycle to make sure it's dry all the way. And then push the button. This is just now washing. Don't know why. It takes so long to just now wash. But alright. The time now is about 12:30 in the afternoon. Still Saturday, March the 22nd, 2021. I just got done vacuuming the carpet in this hallway and in the living room. See, the beanbag chairs, they go in front of the TV. I had to move them. And I do around here, around here. It'll reach out to here if it's plugged into that power strip in the living room, but it won't go. It'll start like yanking, like it's going too far once I turn the corner and things like that. So it's like I have to plug it into the bathroom to do the hallway, but I'm done. I have to dump that out, and then I continue the rest of the cleaning. So what I'm doing today is I'm just going to do a cleaning video. I'm popping in right now to let you know how much I got cleaned and where I'm at right now, and as far as what I have to finish. I already washed up the dishes in the kitchen. You saw that. I already folded up Michaela's clothes, put them back in her laundry bucket so she can put them away however she wants to put them away. I already put her bedding on. I got my laundry started. My first load is on its second cycle of drying. My second load is washing right now. And I just finished the vacuum of the living room hallway carpet. So what all I have to do now is fold up my laundry and put it away, and start the second load of laundry into the dryer. So 2 cycles of that. I don't know what time I'm going to be done. When I finish that, I will edit. And I don't know if I'll post it tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, that's the heads up. It will be, as I'm doing it, I will tell you what I'm doing and maybe how long it took or whatever, behind the scenes or whatever. No children are going to be on here today except for maybe Junior. He popped in because he needed me to search something on his phone for him. And he dropped his phone in his sister's room, which I showed you how I had to go about getting that retrieved. But yeah, I will continue on finishing my laundry, and I will show you me taking the laundry out of the dryer and getting ready to fold it. Alright, so the first load is dried. I have to fold that up. I'm going to get the second load going after. The lint thing. I need 2 hands to put the lint into the trash. Reusable dollar store bag here that I have. Every black family reuses their shopping bags for multiple reasons. Second load is drying. The dryer sheet is in there. I'm going to close it. Excuse me for the slam. I'm going to start it up. Also, that's the bath mat. You know how you get out of the shower or the bathtub and you put a mat there so you don't wet up the bathroom floor? That's what that is. I washed it. It has to hang up on that hanger where I took the other dry one off earlier. Because you can't dry this in the dryer because of the mat. The material might ruin the dryer or something like that. I don't know. She tells me to hang it. She tells me never to dry it. The clothes are upstairs, getting ready to be folded. Am I tired? Yes. But anyway, the next clip you see, these clothes will be folded. Alright. The clothes are folded up. With those socks. The gray one that looks like monkeys or something is on it. It looks like a sloth maybe. Yeah, a sloth with hearts. That is Michaela's. I don't know how it ended up in my bucket, but okay. That other darker gray one is Kenzie's. And I'm hoping that it's in the dryer. Because mysteriously, socks always end up missing whenever someone does laundry. In everybody's household, usually. Okay, so I'm going to name off this pal. It's 3 pajama sets of Juniors. Next to that, going to the left, is Junior's play clothes, like his Spider-Man outfit that has a hood on it. And it's a pair of black jeans. I don't know what you can see under there. And a shirt. That's Kenzie's play clothes, like LOL and pink and whatever. That's her swimsuit. Going down from there is her underwear. Then she has a pair of pink socks. Then those are face towels. Now, jumping all the way over. Don't pay attention to the dryer sheets. I have to throw those away. Those are dry off towels when we take our showers and baths. And actually, she used one of them to go swimming at the Y. Those are my pajama pants and my underwear. I'm going to put all of that away. See, hear from you next clip. Hear from me next clip, sorry. The second sock to the sloth hearts was actually in Michaela's room because it is her socks. So I folded them up and put them in her bucket. And Mackenzie's other sock was hidden underneath my blanket. So I folded it up and put it together with her underwear. Where I put her underwear at. Okay. So that's the time. I'm on my way downstairs. Because I have to get my second load out of the dryer. I already got half of it out. But the other stuff that I left in here, because they were towels and a jacket, like a sweater jacket for Mackenzie. Excuse me, I just ate lunch. A pair of her like camo jeans. They weren't dry yet, so I had to put it on the second stand. So I'm gonna put these up. Go upstairs and fold these up, put them away. And that will be the last thing that I will do. Next time you see me, I will be in my room. And the clothes will be folded. Let me back up so I can see everything. Alright, everything is folded. This time I'll start from the right and go left. My underwear. That's my pajama top. My socks. That's a dry towel. It's 2 wash towels. Don't pay attention to the dryer sheets. Mackenzie's t-shirt. And it's actually the army print pants that she wears. Those are pajamas of Mackenzie's. That's a pajama suit. Set of Juniors. And over here, it's a pile of his play clothes. Everything is done. I'm going to put it away, and this will be all that I am doing today. Oops. It's a towel right here that I forgot to fold up. Wash towel. But that is all I'm doing today for the filming. I am going to edit after this. I'll make it so that you can comment down below if you like. But then again, it may not let you because Junior popped up in one of the videos. So, and their clothes are in the video. So, I don't know. I'll try to make it be comments. Anyway, if you can, comment down below. Hit that blue thumbs up button to like. And hit subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell next to the word subscribe to be notified that my video is complete. I don't know when I'm going to do another video, but when I do, if you click that notification bell, you will know that I posted a new video, and you can continue following us. Have a great day. See you around.